Got here to Cloud 9. Gonna go check out the sunset, check out the surfing, and yeah, just enjoy the last evening here in Siargao. What's up, Jaycationers and mga ubes? It is day 4 in beautiful Siargao. Didn't book a tour today actually. Decided to relax and just take a day. Hang out around the town, hang out around the resort, maybe get a little work done. Internet's really slow over here, so I'm gonna try to find a spot that actually has decent internet. Sit down and try to work. It's a lot warmer today for sure. The sun's out and it looks nice out. Sometimes a boy just needs to relax. The Bravo Resort is in General Luna. Right off the street are a strip of resorts, places to stay, hotels, restaurants, and everything. This is like the main part. This is the main drag. And what's really cool about it is that like you meet people through tours, you meet people through like going to the bars, and it's like almost like a little mini community because you start walking around and you start noticing people and then you start chopping it up. And you know, last night I watched the FIFA games with a couple friends that I met from the tour. And yeah, it's pretty cool. This is a nice little social vibe over here. I'm looking out at the ocean right now, and the tide's a little up so that boats can go in here, but when the tide's at low tide, it's all land. So we're gonna go venture around a little bit. We're across the street from my resort at Cocosurf. It's also a place to relax, cafe, and store. Apparently around General Luna you can take these tricycles or these little motorbikes around town for 20 pesos each way, just anywhere around the area. So it's like a standard 20 pesos, and then at night, like around 8 o'clock, it switches to like 50 pesos a ride. I haven't tried it yet. I just need to walk. I need some exercise. Living in Barcelona and in such a walking city, you get so used to walking everywhere, so it's like not a big deal for me to walk like 20 minutes to a place. So I guess they're like really famous bread. The pan de coco is sold over here, and they come out with them in the afternoon, come out with batches, so they're preparing it now. I gotta go back in like 20 minutes, try it out. We're right by the church here in General Luna. Nobody said nothing about no goddamn freaking tsunamis here. Definitely in this area where there's no paved roads. Just like Doc Brown said in Back to the Future. Roads, where we're going, we don't need roads.
Roads? Where we're going, we don't need roads.
That's pretty cool. I'm in the port area and I can see Siargao Island from here. That's how close it was on that island hopping tour. So I got like 5 pieces of that pan de coco. It's 5 pesos each. I just couldn't understand it. Even though I know how to speak Tagalog, I get all like, I shoot blanks. My mind goes blank on numbers sometimes. So when they were saying lima, I couldn't think of what lima was, which is 5. It's 5 pesos per piece, and I got 4 20 pesos. So not bad. I'm gonna try it out when you get back to the hotel. I really like how most of the motorcycles in this island have these racks. Most motorcycles in this island have those racks for the surfboards. That just goes to show how much of a surf capital this really is. What's up, guys? We're back here at the resort. Got my pan de coco. Still warm. They serve them in the afternoons. 5 pesos each. Let's take a bite out of it. Super good, guys. Look, it's like hot pandesal with coconut in the inside. Oh, it's fantastic. When you guys are here in Siargao, around 2-ish, 3-ish in the afternoon, they'll have it ready, and it's in the main drag of General Luna. You can't miss it. So you'll see the coconuts on fire. It's good. 5 pesos per. I don't know if I'm totally convinced to eat at a place called Shat's Eatery. Might give you the shats. Barrel's the spot I've been watching all the World Cup games, and it's usually cracking at night, but during the day, of course, like there's really nothing much going on over there. But yeah, at night it's cracking. Just got here to Cloud 9. Gonna go check out the sunset, check out the surfing, and yeah, just enjoy the last evening here in Siargao. To enter the view deck, you gotta pay 50 pesos entrance, so $1, not bad. So going in. So it looks like this is the staging area for all the surfers, and if you're gonna take surf lessons, they probably started up over here. But this is like the Cloud 9 boardwalk, I guess is what they call it. We're up here in the view deck checking it out. A little 3-story deck made of wood. Everybody's surfing. It's late in the day, the sun's going down, so it's actually a nice time to check it out. Walking past a bunch of different surf lessons, people taking selfies, people taking wedding pictures on drones. This place has a lot going on. We're here at Cloud 9. Yeah, this is definitely not walking distance from Bravo, even though it only said it was like a kilometer away. But it's only 20 pesos to take the tricycle, so no big deal. So what I love so much about this hotel is that once you check in, you can charge everything from the restaurant onto here and the tours. So I did 2 tours and went to the restaurant quite a bit. I only spent like 1,600 pesos at the restaurant, and I drank and ate there here and there for the last 6 days. So that's not bad at all. And then I did 2 tours. Was supposed to do 4, but I canceled one and then they canceled on me once. So can't have it all, right? Super small airport, guys, but we're here in Siargao Airport, about to go through security. Just wanted to give you a little travel safety tip. I was just thinking about this recently, but you know, I travel with this little security pouch that I keep my passport and my money in. This thing, I put it under my pants. on my waist. Little security tip: when you're going to the airport, don't put it on your waist. Keep it in your bag from the hotel to the airport, so that you don't have to take it off, and then people will see you take it off and put it in. Like, keep it in to the bag so nobody sees that you even have that, and then put it on when you get past security. It'll be a lot easier for you, and just less exposed. People will know like less of what you have with you. So yeah, it's a lot safer. I was thinking about that. I was like, oh, I'm taking off my waist thing with my passport and all my money in it. People could actually see me do it, and they know I have it, so I'm more prone to get pickpocketed or something like that. So yeah, just a little safety tip, just a simple one. What's up, guys? We're here in Cebu, transferring over to my flight to Manila. Got to sit down and have some lunch, so I went to this Italian spot here in the airport and had a Cebu Brewing Company Philippine Rice Pilsen. See how that is. 195 pesos. Salamat! Thank you! Got a new subscriber, a new ubej, and a vanilla ice cream cone for 12 pesos at Jollibee. On the way back to Manila, 15-minute delay, but that's not as bad as other delays, so I'm not tripping.
2 weeks later.
You guys really dropped the ball on this with Cebu Pacific. You changed our flight without telling us, and I know what you guys did. You overbooked. Back in Manila, 18 days later. An hour delay on the flight, but all good. We're here at this beautiful Airbnb in Forbestown in BGC, waiting for our special guests. I'm gonna go downstairs and pick up a pizza so that when they arrive, there's food. It's around 10 at night right now, so restaurants might be closed, they might be tired. Long ways around to get here. Figured I'd set up the food.
A few moments later.
Picked up our special guests some pizza, SNR pizza. The people there are really nice. Shout out to SNR. Really cool staff, really cool people. They got the pizza done real quick. Also got a little salad. Got the chicharron de mangwan. I went over to Robinson's Selection, picked up some Red Horse and a couple of different beers. And of course, you gotta have the water. All right, guys, guess who's here? Mawa and Martin, what's up? You stink, bro. I know. God dang.
Don't sit there, you sit here.
You stink.
It's so hot in here.
Wow, that's all she's gonna say.
It's
So hot in here. I'm gonna get lit.
It's lit. What the heck? So we're gonna let them rest, not stick a camera in their face. They just traveled for 20 hours straight, so time to eat.